I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come.
Hello guys, this video is about how to merge C and D drive in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started.
What I had to do just to feed me and what was left.
Step number 1 is to transfer all the data from your D drive to another drive so that we can format this D drive.
Into your hands and playing your own hands can land your own brand. Now it's to get some power.
Once done, now move to second step, which is to format the D drive. For that, search for Disk Management, and then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Now here, right-click on the D drive, and then click on Delete Volume. This will format all the data from D drive. This will make space of D drive unallocated. In the third step, right-click on the C drive, and then click on Extend Volume. Click on Next button. Make sure you selected the right disk, which is D, or Unallocated Volume. That's it. As you see, my C drive volume increased because we merged the disk space of D drive into C drive. Through this quick and easy way, you can merge C and D drive on Windows. If you find my video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.